Shirik shirik yenten Shiyin rikpi yenten
Dajin lop tru tulu Meta maybe norbu Shirik yenten ino Dajin lop tru tulu Meta maybe norbu Shirik yenten
Kuzuzonpula to all the listeners across the country. This is Pema Yangzon from Samsi Lower Secondary School. This radio program is to reach to all the students across the nation. The lesson for today is for class 2, subject English, and the topic is letter sound or ah. The sound of letter E is eh. And the letter sound of R is R. But when these two letters come together, it produces the sound or ah. Or ah. Can you say the sound with me? Or ah. Now, can you go to page number 5 of same booklet? We have a box filled with words. These words are the examples of words having ah or sound. Like I said, the blend has two sounds, and ah. You can use whichever you feel comfortable with. Can you look at the words? In the box, the first word we have is mother, or you can say mother. You can say mother or mother. The second word we have is father. Father. Or you can say father. Father. Can you say with me? Father or father. The third word we have is brother. Brother. Or you can say brother. Brother. The fourth word we have is sister. Sister. Or you can say sister. Sister. The fifth word we have is daughter. Daughter. Or you can say daughter. Daughter. There are many more words there. You can practice it on your own. Now, can you please turn to the next page? Page number 6. Are you ready? Here in activity 1, you have to look at the pictures and fill in the blanks below using the words given in the box. The words given in the box are doctor, farmer, weaver, and teacher. The first one is done for you. In the first picture, you can see a father and a mother. And the sentence below reads, they are father and mother. In picture number 2, there is a picture of a farmer. So, you have to choose the correct word and write it in the space provided. And you have to do the same for the rest of the pictures. You can do that at the end of the lesson. Now, can you please turn to page number 7? Here, we have self-check for learning. We have to read the sentences and draw pictures. In the box, there are 3 sentences. Sentence number 1 reads, today, the weather is sunny. Today, the weather is sunny. So you have to draw a sunny weather. Number 2 reads, This is a hammer. This is a hammer. So you have to draw a hammer there. And the third sentence reads, this is an eraser. This is an eraser. So you have to draw an eraser there. So today we learned about the or a sound. Please practice and do all the activities. Thank you. We will continue in the next lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay clean, and keep washing your hands. Bye-bye, children.
Sherik, sherik, sherik yenten. Sheyin rikpi yenten.
Dashin lop tu tulu meta maybe nurbu shirik yenten ino. Dashin lop tu tulu meta maybe